Hi, my name is Jeremy, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about ExoBurn before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ExoBurn supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this supplement is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is ExoBurn and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The ExoBurn supplement formula plays a vital role in melting excess pounds that makes people struggle to lose. The natural ingredients extracted from organic sources are added precisely, which helps restore a slim and healthy body shape by increasing the low brown fat levels as proven by science. It makes the body a fat-burning furnace and provides energy levels. It helps in reversing signs of slow and poor metabolism. The formula melts the nagging pounds and causes healthy weight loss. It prevents obesity and its debilitating symptoms. The formula controls healthy blood levels and circulation. It supports active brain functions and reduces oxidative stress. It enhances the digestive system, reduces bloating, and supports heart, liver, and kidney functions. Using these ExoBurn pills helps provide healthy weight loss, leaving no cellulite in the body. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with ExoBurn supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test ExoBurn for 2 months, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to ExoBurn work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, ExoBurn has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy ExoBurn, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that ExoBurn actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.